MB Navy updates. In today's video, we will cover the map coverage option. Just by clicking the map coverage option given above, you will come to the main page of man coverage option. There you will see the navigation map coverage. Here you can see 2023 maps North America coverage, where you can see the North America different regions where we provide the services. Here in this video you will see the roads, streets, restrictions and street names given in a detail. Now you can see the Europe coverage option, where you can see where we provide our services. Here in the North, Middle East and Africa region are also covered in this video, where you will get more information about the map coverage option. Moreover, if you want to see the more detail about the Mercedes MB Navy update, you can just click the map coverage option. You can choose different regions and you can check out the page to complete your purchase. It's that simple. If you want to visit the mbnavyupdates.com, just click the above link and you will come to the main page. And this is all about MB Navy update main map coverage option. Thank you.